We wake up at late in the morning and we come to early to school. We can miss their many updates. Here too my friend Ben Martin will come and say some news.
Happy morning to everyone. My name is Ben Martin from Grade-VII Jasper. Today's news. Happy morning everyone. My name is Ben Martin from Grade-VII Jasper. Today's news. National news. Switch withdraws MFN's status to India. State news. Allu Arjun arrested grandly intermit bail. Sports news. Can India...
That is very good news. Thought. I invite my friend Arsha to come forward and share with us thought.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Harshavardhan from Jasper. I am here to say thought. You will get what you need when the time is right. Have patience. Thank you.
Thank you Harsha to sharing this thought with a memorable thought. Word. You know what is today's one word? My one word yesterday is birthday, and I call upon Narendra to come forward and say today's new word.
Happy morning to one and all present here. Myself be Narendra of Grade-VII Jasper. Today I am going to say word. Word amiable. It means to be friendly and agreeable.
Thanks for saying word. Now I call upon my friend Abdul to come forward and check our general knowledge.
Happy morning everyone. I am Abdul from Grade-VII Jasper, here to check your general knowledge. Question for grade 6. The study of disease is called... I repeat again. The study of disease is called... Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is pathology. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 7. In which country the Microsoft is invented? Yes, you picked the right answer, and answer is United States of America. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 8. In which year the World War II ended?
I invite my friend Tarak to come and say Telugu speech.
శుభోదయం అందరికీ. ఈరోజు మీ ముందుకి స్పీచ్ తెచ్చాడు ఎం తారక శ్రీపతి 7వ తరగతి జాస్పర్ నుంచి. అనగనగా ఒక ఊరిలో ఒక చెట్లు నరికేవాడు ఉండేవాడు. అతను మొదటి నెల చెట్లు నరకడానికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు కష్టపడి రోజుకి 25 కన్నా ఎక్కువ చెట్లు నరికేవాడు. మొదటి నెల అయిపోయాక అతని యజమాని దగ్గరికి జీతం తీసుకోవడానికి వెళ్ళాడు. అప్పుడు అతని యజమాని మెచ్చుకొని జీతం ఇచ్చాడు. రెండో నెల ఇంకా ఎక్కువ కష్టపడి రోజుకి 30 చెట్లకు పైన నరికేవాడు. రెండో నెల అయిపోయాక జీతం తీసుకోవడానికి అతని యజమాని దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాడు. అప్పుడు అతని యజమాని ఇంకా ఎక్కువ మెచ్చుకొని ఎక్కువ జీతం ఇచ్చాడు. మూడో నెల
Today birthday star is Muhammad Nihal from 6th Topaz. I call upon Ajay sir. Pushpanjali ma'am come forward.